Hey guys, today we are trying out some self-adhesive lashes. So I went ahead and tried out these lashes by Lilly Lashes, and I brought you along with me as I put them on, tried them out, so we can try them out and test them out together. So obviously I don't have any lashes on right now. I also don't have any mascara, so excuse the appearance. But today we are going to be trying out the self-adhesive lashes by Lilly Lashes. Now these lashes are gorgeous. Lilly Lashes quality in general, quality is really, really good. But today we're gonna be trying out their self-adhesive lashes. I did wanna tell you a little bit about these before we get started and try them out. They are self-adhesive. It says that there is no glue needed, body heat activated. It comes in a few different styles. The style that I got is Rule Breaker, and this is a really pretty one. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to try it on. I have not opened them. I have not tried it. We are going to be trying them out together, but I wanted to go ahead and look on the website and tell you exactly what they claim and how they work. Yeah, it's nice. It says there's no glue needed, which I think is wonderful, because when I do use lashes, I've been using like the cluster lashes lately, but when I do use like the strip lashes, my biggest issue and problem is I either lose the glue or it's old and dried out, and then I'm like, all right, forget it, I'm not wearing it. So I really like the convenience that you don't need glue for these. I have used other lashes in the past that they were either like you use a magnetic liner. I will leave a video to that down below or somewhere on the screen. The experience was you can check it out for yourself. And I have used like a water activated lash. That one actually did work pretty well also. I'll leave all that somewhere for you guys to take a look. But I'm excited to see this because this, you don't need water. There's no like liner or magnet or anything like that. It just says that it works with your body heat. So I'm very excited about that. Looking online, they have so many different types of styles. They have some half lashes, which is really nice. I know a lot of people like that. Different style half lashes if you want bold volume, natural volume, medium length, short length even. Oh, they have so many different things. Oh, and it does say that they have some clusters. So that's exciting. That might be something that I will try out maybe in the future. Okay, so I want to tell you about these. I got it in the style Rule Breaker, and it says a natural volume and medium length. So it has 3D faux mink. It says reusable 5+ wears with a pillowy soft band. So they are reusable, which is really nice. And these also looking online, they retail for $18. If I happen to get a discount code or anything like that, I will leave that information down below for you if you want to check it out. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen if I get anything to offer you guys a discount. So I'm always trying to get you guys some discounts, trying to get you guys some deals, but I'll leave all that information down below. As of now, from what I'm seeing, they go for $18. I am also looking that they do offer bundles, which is really nice. That's really cool. So it says to prep and fit, step 1, prep and fit. You're going to curl your natural lashes and apply a light coat of mascara if you want, and then peel, measure, and trim if needed. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm debating if I want mascara or not. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara. It says if you want, if desired. I desire. Okay. Remove lash holders from tray and peel off lashes. Measure and trim to fit eyes. Place lash holders back on tray for future storage. So you do want to hold on to this to store them away. And actually the box seems like pretty good quality. Apply lashes along the lash line, pressing on the band to secure it onto the skin. Your body heat will help the lash band stick and stay all day. For extra security, apply lashes with an applicator and press them together with your natural lashes along the band. Black band mimics the look of eyeliner. Okay, I do have an applicator, so let me get that. We're gonna open this up together, and this is what it looks like. So pretty. The style is really, really pretty. I'm so excited. And I do like that it also is labeled left and right to make it easy to keep track of. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm so excited. Oh, actually, hold on. Pause. Before we do that, I am going to curl my lashes and apply a light coat of mascara. I'm really not good at curling my lashes. I always start tearing. Okay, brought you guys a little closer. See if you can see. I am the worst at curling my lashes and I always start tearing and I don't got time to wait for that. No tears over here, okay guys? But I'm gonna just use whatever one I have here. This is the Big Mood Mascara by e.l.f. It's good mascara, I guess. Okay, we're gonna do a light coat so you can see how the lashes look. And yeah, just to show you, obviously nothing, one coat of mascara, and then we'll see what it looks like with the lashes on. We're gonna open that up. So I took them off. Let me see if you can see. Oh my gosh, so 2016. The band is like pretty thick. I don't wanna mess with it too much. Ooh, it's sticky. All right, and let's try to apply it. I'm so scared to mess up because of the glue. Okay. Okay. I also want to mention that I do have very, very sensitive eyes, but so far this is working well, I think. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so there's one. It feels really comfortable, actually. I want to like push it in a little bit more and make sure everything's secure, but you definitely can see the band, like it's thick. So I can see what they're talking about, that it looks like eyeliner. So you have to want that look, I guess. But it's a soft band, which is interesting because it's thick, but it's soft. Let me just push this and like, you know, fix this up a little bit. Let me see. All right, this little corner does not want to cooperate. And push that in a little bit. Pretty. I really like the style. I'm closing my eye and trying to just like push it onto my lid. It looks really pretty. This one little corner is driving me nuts though. I think that's also because like my eyes were tearing before. It looks good. Oh, I like it. I have to say, it feels very comfortable on. And again, I have very sensitive eyes. If there's something that my eye will not like, I will feel it immediately, like burning or whatever, but this feels really good. Okay, let's do the other side and see. And it comes off really easily off of the tray. And remember, you want to hold on to it to store your lashes. I went ahead and put them on, and I actually took it off to try to get like footage of this and put it back on. So actually taking them on and off and like adjusting it, it's still sticking on nicely, which is really nice. And it feels so comfortable on my lid. See if I can get that to stick too. So it's just that like inner corner that seems to be giving a little bit of a problem, but not bad. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing and I'm gonna like close and push. And that is that. It feels really comfortable and they look beautiful. They're super comfortable, very soft and light. I feel the band, but actually now that this one has been on for a while, I like don't feel it at all. This one I still feel, and I like just put on my lid, but I don't even feel this anymore. So these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love them. Super easy to put on. Does not bother my eyes at all. Gorgeous, gorgeous styles. They have so many different styles to choose from. I'm going to wear them for the rest of the day. It's 2:47, so I don't know how. I'm gonna try to wear them till like late at night. They're so comfortable. They are so comfortable. They look amazing. They feel amazing. The quality is gorgeous. The style is beautiful. I'm still working with this little corner here, but I think we're good. So good. Let me go a little closer so you can see. So I think you can see, you definitely can see that it's like a thicker band, but it does give that like eyeliner look. Oh, it's so pretty. These are so pretty and they're so comfortable. Okay, that's what they look like. Again, this is in the style Rule Breaker, the Lilly lashes, self-adhesive lashes. Gorgeous. I love, 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 love. All right, so I hope that that was helpful, bringing you guys a little bit closer and bringing you along with the process of applying these and testing them out. As a first impression, I absolutely love these. They are so comfortable, so gorgeous. They feel great. The lashes look so fluffy and natural. They're not like plastic looking or anything like that. As I said before, it says that it's 3D faux mink. And I mean, the quality is amazing. It feels and looks so good. It just gave like a little bit of fullness. Beautiful. The lashes themselves are super fluffy, natural looking. I got Rule Breaker. It's described as medium length and natural volume, and I think that you can see that's what it is. It's not like too bold, too in your face. It's just like, I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So just add a little bit of length, a little bit of volume. Super light and fluffy. These are gorgeous. So I do want to read. If I can do an update by the end of the night, I will come back here and show you and give you my thoughts. If I'm not able to, I will either leave it like in the description, in a comment, or maybe like a little voiceover. I don't know. But as a first impression, these are wonderful. They're so comfortable. They do not irritate my sensitive eyes. They look great. The application process was super easy. I did actually remove the band and reapply it because I was trying to like, I don't know, get footage for like short form content. But I don't know if that even came out good. But anyway, the point is I did take it off and reapply, and it was so easy to remove and reapply, and it didn't seem like it affected the adhesive at all. That is really good, because if you did have to take it off and like adjust and reapply, super easy to do, and it was not a problem removing it or not. So I do want to quickly read though. It says care and rewear. It says always store the lashes on their original lash holder to preserve stickiness and shape. After 2 to 3 wears, wipe band with an oil-free makeup remover or water to clean. Warm with a hair dryer for 5 seconds and apply again. Okay, so it says that like if you do, just take it off, clean it with oil-free makeup remover or water. And then it says you can warm the band with a hair dryer to like, I guess, reactivate the adhesive and to apply again. To extend the life of the lashes beyond 3 to 5 wears, use with our brush on lash adhesive. So basically it says over here, it does say 5+ wears. So as I'm reading the directions, it says you can use it 3 to 5 wears. If you want to use it beyond the 3 to 5 wears, then you just use it with a lash glue. I actually have not tried the Lilly lash adhesive, but I love these styles so much that I will go ahead and purchase that to reuse them. Absolutely love them. As a first impressions, these are worth the hype. I really, really like it. So comfortable, so gorgeous, easy to use, not a problem, and these are beautiful. Love the convenience of this. You don't need to worry about like keeping lash glue. You don't have to look for the glue, especially for like special events and going away and stuff. Easy, one less thing to pack. All you need are your lashes. So many different styles, so many different things to choose from. And yeah, so as a first impressions, these are awesome. I love them. I think they look great. What do you think? Let me know. Let me know, have you tried these lashes? Do you like them? Do you not like them? How is your experience? Mine so far is a very positive experience. I love them. I think they're beautiful. And yeah, so again, if I happen to get a discount code or anything, if you want to shop through my links or anything like that, all that information will be for you down below in the description box. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that it was helpful for you to see me try these on and go through the process with you. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. That way you get notified anytime I upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.